This short video shows how to set up and adjust settings on Nonin PalmSAT model 2500 and 2500A pulse oximeters. On both the 2500 and 2500A models, setup mode is used to set or disable the clock and calendar, clear the oximeter's memory, and memory download. On the 2500A model only, setup is also used to adjust alarm settings. To enter setup mode on the 2500 model, start with the oximeter turned off. Press and hold the on-off button and advance button, and while holding the advance button, then release the on-off button. A series of 3 8s will appear in the pulse rate and SpO2 areas, and the clock time will briefly appear, followed by RCL No. This allows you to retain the memory on the oximeter or clear it. To clear memory, press the advance key until you see Clear Yes. Then press the on-off key to perform that memory function. Delete will appear. Confirm that you want to clear by pressing On-Off again. You will automatically exit setup mode. Re-enter setup mode and select Clear No to proceed to the rest of the setup options. If you do not clear memory, you will automatically continue to the rest of the setup options. Year, month, day, hour, and minute will appear in that order as you adjust them. Change the value by pressing the Advance button until the desired value appears, and then press On-Off to set that value. The next value will then appear. You can also scroll through values by pressing and holding the Advance button. Once you set the minute value for the clock, you will exit setup mode. You can disable the date and clock settings by setting the month at 00. If you confirm that setting, you will immediately exit setup mode. Disabling the date and clock can help conserve battery life. For the 2500A model, when you enter setup, the Recall Alarm Values No option appears first. Memory clear, date and time settings follow after alarm settings. If you clear the custom alarm setting, the oximeter will return to its default settings. Press On-Off to clear the custom alarm settings, or use Advance to select Yes to retain the custom settings. If you retain the settings, you will automatically exit setup mode. If you clear custom alarm settings, you can scroll through and reset all values on the oximeter. O2L is the SpO2 low limit. HH is heart rate high. HL is heart rate low. And O2H is SpO2 high, appearing in that order. You can see the audible alarm setting, which may be high, low, or off. You will then enter the memory, date, and clock settings just like the 2500 model. To download the 72-hour memory from the oximeter, attach the appropriate cable or data collection drive with the 2500 model turned off. Press the Advance and On-Off buttons and release only the On-Off button, just like entering setup mode. When the Clear No icon appears on the 2500 model, or the Recall Alarm Setting No appears on the 2500A model, the oximeter memory will begin download. Wait for at least 3.5 minutes for the data to transfer to the computer or data storage drive. With proper use, the Nonin PalmSAT model 2500 or 2500A pulse oximeter will provide consistent, accurate oxygen saturation and pulse rate measurement. You can find additional use information on this and other Nonin products at www.nonin.com.